In this video, we are going to talk about circles, specifically about secants and tangent lines. So this is an application of the different theorem, again with respect to secants and tangent lines. So if you don't know much about the different theorems, I am suggesting that you are going to go back to the previous video I posted about the different theorems. Because whether you like it or not, we are going to make use of those theorems. Let me just get the calculator ready. So again, number one, we are asked to find the measurement of this angle TUV. So the measurement of the angle TUV. So what do we know about this angle? This is actually a inscribed angle, right? And by theorem, we know that the measurement of this inscribed angle is just half of this of the arc that it makes. So this is just equal to 1/2 of 128 degrees. So what's half of 128? That is just equal to 120, that's 64 degrees. So meaning to say this actually measures 64 degrees. And that will be our answer for number one. Number two, we are seeing here two tangent lines. And they intersect at point K. So by theorem, we know that this angle here, this angle K, measurement of angle LKJ, that is just what? 1/2 of the difference of the arcs, the minor arc, the major arc, I mean, and then the minor arc. So the entire circle is 200. The entire circle, is 360, and this arc here is 236. So to find the minor arc, we have 360 minus 236, that is 124. So meaning to say, this arc is just 124 degrees. And then again, to find the measurement of this, we are just going to take the difference of that, 236 minus 124, and then divide it by 2, and then we will get 56. So this is actually 56 degrees. Let's do number 3. Alright, number 3, we have here intersecting chords within the circle. So chord EG and chord LF are intersecting chords, and then again we are asked to find the measurement of this angle D. Angle D, this one. So how do we find the measurement of this angle? Now by theorem, when two chords intersect within the circle, the measurement of the angle formed is just 1/2 of the sum of the intercepted arcs. So we are going to take the measurement of angle EDF is just 1/2 of 205 plus 51. So what is that equal to? Let's get the calculator. This is 205 plus 51 divided by 2, that is just 128. So this actually measures 128. This is 128. Alright, so again, we are just trying to apply the different theorems with respect to the circle. What about this one? We have here a secant line and a tangent line. So again, a secant line and a tangent line, the same thing earlier. What we are going to do is simply subtract and then divide it by 2. So we're gonna do 215 minus 95 divided by 2. That should give us 60. So this is actually 60 degrees. Alright, so again, what we did, we just get the sum of this, get the difference of this and that, and then divide it by 2. Let's do number 5. Alright, this time we are asked to find the value of x, not the angle, but the value of x. But again, the same thing. So, as you notice again, this is a inscribed angle. And by definition, the measurement of this inscribed angle is 1/2 of the arc it makes. So that is just equal to 66 is again 1/2 of 2x plus 132. Or you can actually do 2 times 66 is equal to 2x plus 132. And we're going to solve that. 66 times 2, that gives you 120, 132. And then this is 2x plus 132. And then again, this is 0 equals 2x. So x is equal to 0. So this will be your answer. Right? So the value of x is actually, what do we call this? 0. Let's do number 6. The same thing. So again, this is 1/2 of this one. So I'm going to do twice of that. 1 plus 16x, that is equal to 190. And I'm going to get negative 2 plus 32x equals 190. 32x is equal to 192. And x will be equal to how much? 6, I think. Let me just get the calculator. 192 divided by 32. That is 6. Right, so that will be our answer for this item. Let's do number 7. Number 7 again, this is inscribed angle. So again, this is half of the measurement of this one. So this is just equal to 2 times 6x plus 3 is equal to 13x minus 6. 12x plus 6 equals 13x minus 6. So this is now what? 12 equals x. Right? So the value of x is actually 12. That is very straightforward. Number 8. So again, this is what? This is half of the difference of this one and this one. So we are going to take 2 times 71x minus 1, that is just equal to 193x minus 53. And then this is just equal to 142x minus 2 equals 193x minus 53. So this will become, what is 192 minus 142? That is just 50. 193 minus 142, that is 51. So we have here negative 2 plus 53 is 51. So that is just 51 equals 51x. X is equal to 1. That will be our answer. Let's do number 9. So again, this is now, we are going to find for x or solve for x and then solve for the actual value. So the same thing. This is what? This is inscribed angle. So that is half of the arc. So the measurement of PSR, I mean, this one, the arc, PSR, is equal to x plus 240. So we are asked to find the measurement of, the actual measurement of that arc. So what we're going to do is, again, this is 1/2 of this. So that is just twice of 2x plus 120 is equal to x plus 240. And we get 4x plus 240 equals x plus 240. So x now will be 3x is equal to 0. So x equals 0, meaning to say this is just 240 degrees. right? Because again, x is 0, so 0 plus 240 is just 240 degrees. What about this one? Find the measurement of the angle PQR. So PQR, this one, that is just 3x plus 20. And again, that is just half, right? Half of this. So I'm going to multiply it by 2 equals negative 10 plus 11x. And this is 6x plus 40 and 11x plus 10, negative 10 plus 11x. So I'm gonna get 50 is equal to 5x. So 10 is equal to x. So we're not yet done. If 10 is equal to x, this is what? 3 times 10 plus 20. This is 50 degrees. So number 10 is actually 50 degrees. Let's do number 11 and 12, the last numbers. So again, the same thing. This is what? Half. This is 1/2 of the difference of this one and this one. So we're gonna do 15x plus 15 minus 55 is equal to twice of that. So we're gonna do this is 40, right? 15x minus 40 is equal to 12x minus 10. So this is what? This is 3x is equal to 30x, no, 30, I mean. So x now is equal to 10. So if x is 10, this is 60 times minus 5. This is actually 55 degrees. So that will be our answer. And then for the last one, find the measurement of the arc AB. This one, we're asked to find the measurement of this one. So what we're going to do is solve first for x. And then remember, this arc plus AB is the entire 360, right? So what we're going to do is, again, this is half of this. So this is twice 2 times 14 x plus 5. That is just equal to 31 x minus 5. And this is 28x plus 10 equals 31x minus 5. Simplify. This is just 15 is equal to what is 31 minus 28? That is 3, right? 3x. And then x is equal to 5. So if x is equal to 5, 31 times 5 minus 5, that gives you how much? 31 times 5 minus 5, that gives you 150. And 360 minus 150, that is just 210. We are asked to find the minor arc AB. So this is what we are looking for. So our answer will be 150 degrees. Alright? We are asked to find the minor arc. How do I know that is the minor arc? Again, the major arc is named using 3 letters. Minor arc is only named using 2 letters. So we are asked to find this and not the major arc. So that will be it for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below.